Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can add extra security to Venmo, so let's dive in. First, open the Venmo app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the gear icon in the top right to open your settings. Scroll down and tap on Security. Here you can enable a PIN code, Face ID, or fingerprint lock. Turn this on so that even if someone gets access to your phone, they can't open your Venmo without your verification. Next, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection when logging in. You can do this by going to your account settings and turning on two-factor login using your phone number. It's also a good idea to update your password. Use something strong and unique, don't reuse passwords from other accounts. You can change it in the account section of the settings. Another smart move is to enable notifications. That way, Venmo can alert you instantly if there's suspicious activity or a login from a new device. Just head to the notifications section in your settings to turn that on. Lastly, check your active sessions. If you see any unfamiliar devices logged into your account, log them out right away. You can do this on the Venmo website under Security Sessions.